Lauren, what I wanted to show you was what to do after you've logged in with Clever on your TenMarks teacher account. So when you finally log in, it'll look similar to this screen. What you'll want to do to assign Theo work is you will come over here to the Work button at the very top. You'll click here, and you will have a curriculum button, a class assignments button, assessment, individual work, jam sessions, and labs. For today, what I want you to pay attention to is the class assignments. You'll be able to go in and pull class assignments or create a new class assignment for Theo. And to do that, you'll see a create new button here on the right. If you click on that, it'll take you into create an assignment. You're going to go ahead and in your class you'll only have one student, but if you wanted to choose a singular student, you would click choose a student, and then you would end up clicking 1, assign to selected student. So it's going to be going to that student. Now what I want to do is come down here and I want to find the content area in which I want to assign. So if I wanted to search for a topic, say addition, 2-digit addition and subtraction, and that's where I am right now. I could do that. Now if I don't see it, I can scroll down through here and it'll take me to various grade levels. For your purposes right now, being in 2nd grade, this may be an assignment that you'd want to take a look at. So you can go ahead, click that. If you click there, you can preview the types of questions. I am not sure why I gave you that funky look right there, but then it ends up clearing up. And it also gives you the question types. So for Theo, this could be one of the ways this question is presented. Interesting enough, this is the language that would be used in Eureka. You could see how the second type of question would be asked. Third and fourth. You can assign directly by clicking here, but I'd rather you come out here and decide whether or not it's going to be a 10 problems per topic or 5. It just depends on how much time you have with Theo and how much work you're asking him to put in. If it is one of those assignments where you're asking him to draw it out, I definitely would have the 5. If you're looking for amplifiers to be assigned based on his performance, so for example, if he scored 70 or lower, he would get an amplifier for this assignment, but that only works when you assign 10 questions. You have a start date and a time, and you can go ahead and have a due date. Now, by unclicking that, that's a hard due date. That means he cannot make it up. If that button is clicked, you can go ahead and allow him to submit afterwards. Finally, you would click create, and it would be assigned to that student. If you go back to home, if you're wanting to explain to Theo how this works, you can come in here to student view. And what student view is a demo account for your students. So you'd come in and you can talk to him about the home page, what the coins mean. And coins are awarded for completed assignments, for completed questions on jam sessions, and they are awarded for videos and hence used on assignments. So it really encourages the kids to read a little bit further into that problem. You want to go ahead and then on the TenMarks Market, you want to show him how to take advantage of these rewards. This is kind of that motivation for him to do well and use all those tools. They can come in and play these games. They can buy, I think they can buy 10 minutes on each game, and then it resets after they use it. So it continually motivates them to go in and read into questions. I would go ahead and encourage him to do these simple assignments, and maybe you even assigned a 1st grade work to him for the first week or two, build his confidence, and then what you would want to do is go back to work, go back to assessments, and then create an assessment for grade 2 for Theo to identify where those gaps in his understanding are for the second grade content. I don't want to take much more time with this today, but I will be making myself available to you hopefully in the next week or two to come over and work with you and Theo on TenMarks. I really appreciate you reaching out. And as always, if you have questions, please contact me 1487 or email me at justin.klein@ketteringschools.org. Thank you.